I don't need people telling me what to think, and I don't need people directing me on how they want me to think. I want the tools to practice law, and UB was perfect for me.
This first year of law school, it's been really exciting. It's definitely been challenging at times, figuring out how to analyze and start to think like a lawyer. But it was a lot of fun.
And the great thing about, at least in the evening program, since all of us work, all of us have families, all of us have to deal with the same deadlines, you have a great support network to make sure that we'll get through this together.
Anytime I talked to professors about what I wanted to do, they were more than happy to make connections for me or introduce me to someone I could network with throughout my career, and that sort of led me directly on a path to a nonprofit fellowship when I finished school, and then eventually to my work with state government.
The dean told us about the EXPLOR program, which was a program where the Career Development Office essentially guarantees you a placement. That was a huge selling point because I don't think that there's another school that I'm aware of that offers that opportunity.
Having been an EXPLOR student and now serving as a mentor, feels great to be able to give back and give the experience that Judge Blake gave to me, and that I know hundreds if not thousands of other lawyers around town and throughout Maryland give to UB students.
I'm interning at the Baltimore City State's Attorney's Office in their major investigations unit. It's really putting to practice a lot of what I've learned. And on top of that, I'm getting school credit for it.
I've been working in the legal department at Under Armour since October. It's been an amazing experience. It's one of the bigger employers in the area, and it's been a tremendous opportunity working there.
The one experience that stands out for me is my time with the Maryland Department of Business and Economic Development. And during that time, I was able to read bills and help the department get their legislative agenda through the General Assembly.
The LCDO sent out an application for a position at Whiteford, Taylor & Preston, and I got that position. It was a full-time paid internship for the summer. That opportunity I never would have gotten if it weren't for the LCDO.
My experience at the Immigration Law Clinic was great.
Law Review was probably one of the best experiences I've had here at UB.
I served as president of our Black Law Students Association.
I was able to handle a client on my own for the first time and actually represent her in court, and we were able to apply for asylum, and it was granted.
Having the chance to put my name on a publication that the school puts out was a great experience.
Being part of BALSA has really showed me really what it takes to be a strong leader.
UB is a great place to go to law school. The faculty and the alumni here really help you get your legal career off to a great start.
People's fears about being in a type A, cutthroat environment, you're not really going to see that here.
Part of what drew me to UB, and also what I found to be very true about UB, was that UB students want to do well, but they don't want to do well necessarily at the expense of their fellow students.
Having a community of people who went to the same law school is essential. And so all throughout Maryland, the UB law degree travels well.
The practical education that UB provided me was instrumental to my early success, which built into my late success. And I'm forever grateful for that.